to be opening the 31st pack of the Throne of Eldraine, so we're over halfway through. This is pack number 26 from the booster box, so almost 3/4 of the way through that. So let's get started. So I got the a desk lamp to just test out lighting and stuff. It's okay. I really like the color that is coming out now. I think it's just the lighting color is better, but I only got one of them and it's up here. So it's still kind of like I don't know, the color is a lot better, but it's still like there's a lot of reflection and glare. I'm gonna get a different one soon because I think the quality of this one is questionable, but for now it's fine. That'll be happening eventually. I'm hoping that if I get two of them with two different light directions, it'll fix the glare issue somewhat. Also, you probably can't tell, but this is really dark right now. Like, I turned off the main light, and yeah. So, first card is Queen of Ice. Yeah, like, you can actually kind of make out what the cards are now, instead of just having them be, like, all full of glare. So yeah, hopefully another one from a different angle will help, and that'll be happening soon, but Queen of Ice. For now, we're just gonna stick with this setup. So Queen of Ice is a duplicate. Also, you'll notice if I bring the card up, it goes immediately dark once I get close. But, like, the picture comes through fine, or better than before. Alright, Crystal Slipper, which is one of the red cards. Crystal Slipper. Right there. Curious Pair. Curious Pair. Lost Legion. Lost Legion. Dwarven Mine. Dwarven Mine. Weapons rack, or weapon rack. Weapon rack. Brimstone Trebuchet. I didn't look. Does every and I only just noticed, but does every set have both an artifact creature and an artifact in it? Because Brimstone Trebuchet is artifact creature and Crystal Slipper is an artifact equipment. Alright, so Brimstone Trebuchet. I just never noticed that there were two until I got, you know, these two in the exact same pack. Golden Egg. You can look at that later if I actually feel like it. But Golden Egg. Which Golden Egg. Alright. Tall as a beanstalk. Tall as a beanstalk. Alright, Shepherd of the Flock, the first uncommon, is white. It's actually fairly relatively early into white. Shining 29, 28. Ooh, new card. Alright, so Shepherd of the Flock. It has an adventure of 1, Usher to Safety, which is an instant. Return target permanent you control to its owner's hand. And then the actual creature is 2 mana, a human peasant, 3/1. Not all heroes carry swords. Alright. I don't know what that is a specific reference to, but alright. Wintermoor Commander. Wintermoor Commander, a duplicate. Ooh, a foil coming up. Alright, Sir Conrad the Grim. I'm not sure if I have this one already. Oh, I do. Sir Conrad the Grim. Alright. Wildborn Preserver. Probably don't have this one. Wildwood Tracker, 182, right there. Yep, new card. So, it's an Elf Archer for 2 mana with Flash and Reach. And whenever another non-human creature enters the battlefield under your control, you may pay X. When you do, put X +1/+1 counters on Wildborn Preserver. And it's a 2/2 creature. Alright, so... Yep. Kind of interesting because you can pump it up really quickly if you wanted to. Alright, Rosethorn Acolyte is the foil. Which I already have. Alright, the foil version actually just in general for this one looks a lot brighter than the normal version, like the colors just seem brighter even without the foil glimmer. Like from this angle, from the angle I'm sitting at, this one she looks almost completely black, like silhouetted, whereas like you can still see quite a bit of green in her arms and upper torso, and also around her whatever dress skirt thing. So yeah, it's a common foil. All right, foil goes right here. The lands are all duplicates at this point, but what the heck. Island 256. And token is on an adventure. Which I already know. Yeah. Like it's one just comment on the set. It's interesting that they have so many different like arts for food, but then on an adventure, which is probably just as common of a token or whatever, like that they only have one. It might have been cool if they had like one for each color or something, but whatever. Not a huge thing. Alright. So 3 new cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yep, 3 new cards. How does that look in the... Alright, sorry, I just wanted to take a look. The black ones I have the shiny sleeves on, which... Alright, so the black, the red, and the blue colors I have shiny sleeves of. Every other sleeve color that I have is the matte color. I like the matte color better, but I just wanted to see how they appeared on the screen. No repeat whites. Blue, black. The reds are both artifacts, which is interesting. Lands, greens, yellow, blues. Yep, alright. So yeah, I'll probably over the next week get the new white to another white to test out, but I do at least just from testing like the oh, this one really brings the colors out a lot better than the whatever type of white my overhead white is. This has been Zigzag. Thank you for joining me. Bye.